Indeed. The Jackson County prosecutor, Gene Peters Baker, met here at the courthouse with the Missouri State Auditor, Nicole Galloway, to talk about public corruption at a joint news conference. They're both backing a new law to crack down on dishonest public officials. They announced the details at a news conference. It would toughen the law on public corruption because certain kinds of low-level public stealing crimes, now misdemeanors, could become felonies. And prosecutors could call on the state auditor's office to investigate a suspect fund.
A local law enforcement agency can call the auditor's office in to use our expertise for forensic auditing, which is a bit more of a specialty rather than maybe some of the specialty that occurs within the prosecutor's office.
And since this bill is being sponsored by the chairman of the Senate Judiciary Committee, Bob Dixon out of Springfield, it probably has a pretty good chance.